Hello my dear friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to save the Windows lock screen images. Before getting started, we must view the hidden files and folders. To enable this feature, right click on Start button, then select File Explorer, then View, Options, View, Show hidden files, folders and drivers. Click Apply, then OK. Now we can see the hidden files and folders. Then click this PC, your C drive, users, the name of your username, then AppData, local, packages, then click Microsoft Windows Content Delivery Manager. Open this folder, LocalState, Assets, then sort the folder in size. These large size images are Windows lock screen images. Then copy or Ctrl+C to copy them. Then you can paste on your desktop folder. These files are unreadable. Then we can rename them. To rename a file, press F2 or right click and rename. Then we can rename the file name. I'll rename this 001.jpg. Here it's a lock screen image. These lock screen images are getting updated and changed time to time, so you can save them by using this method. Thanks for watching.